EcoStan introduce all new sawdust making machine, which can turn on any type of wood logs into sawdust in one go. This is EcoStan ESM75. It required 81 horsepower to run, and the production of this ESM75 sawdust machine is up to 2,000 kilograms per hour. Earlier it was not easy to make sawdust from wood logs. EcoStan ESM75 is strong enough to go through any type of wet, dry, hard or soft wood logs. ESM75 can take the wood logs with the diameter up to 8 inches and convert them into 4 mm to 8 mm sawdust, depending on the type of wood waste. This sawdust making machine is controlled with a PLC control panel. The machine is capable to run in automatic and manual override modes. The PLC panel ensure the safety of the ESM from getting jammed or overfeeding by auto-reversing and forwarding the infeed chambers of the machine. The operator can also use the foot switch to manually reverse the infeed rollers in case of overfeeding. The ESM use number of blades to turn the wood logs into sawdust. These blades are made from high-quality material and are cost-effective plus easy to change. ESM is equipped with a number of heavy-duty infeed rollers on both upside and downside to make the operation smooth and efficient. The other bigger models are also available, such as ESM 100, ESM 150 and ESM 200. Inquire for more information. Book now. EcoStan, making world better place.